So hi guys, my name is Fateh and our today's topic is about smart cities. Smart cities use technologies and data to improve the quality of life for citizens, enhance sustainability and streamline public services. Key features of smart cities include IoT sensors, monitoring and managing infrastructure, traffic and environment, data analysis, analyzing data to make informed decisions and predict trends, smart transportation, intelligent transportation system for efficient traffic management, energy efficient, optimizing energy consumption and promoting renewable energy resources, smart buildings, energy efficient buildings with automated systems, citizen engagement, encouraging citizen participations through digital platforms, public safety, using technology to enhance public safety and emergency response, waste management, optimizing waste collections and disposal processes, smart water management, monitoring and managing water distribution and quality, digital infrastructure, high speed and internet, high speed internet and digital connectivity. Benefits of smart cities: improved quality of life, enhanced sustainability, increased efficiency, economic growth, better public services, increased transparency, improved public safety, reduce energy consumption, reduce waste, improved citizen engagement. Example of smart cities: Singapore, Barcelona, New York City, London, Tokyo, San Francisco, Copenhagen, Dubai, Hong Kong, and Seoul. Smart cities are the future of urban planning, and their development is crucial for creating sustainable, efficient, and livable cities. The importance of smart cities can be seen in various aspects. Sustainability: smart cities promote eco-friendly practices, reducing carbon footprints and conserving resources. Efficient resources allocation: smart cities optimize energy, water, and waste management, reducing waste and costs. Improved public safety services: smart cities enhance public transportation, healthcare, and public safety services, making them more accessible and efficient. Economic growth: smart cities attract businesses, investment, and talent, fostering economic development and innovation. Enhanced quality of life: smart cities provide citizens with a better living environment, improved air and water quality, and reduced noise pollution. Increased transparency and accountability: smart cities use data analytics to track performance and progress, ensuring accountability and transparency. Disaster preparedness and response: smart cities use sensors and data analytics to predict and respond to natural disasters, reducing risk and its impacts. Inclusive and equitable development: smart cities prioritize exclusive growth, ensuring equal access to services and opportunities for all citizens. Data-driven decision making: smart cities use data analytics to inform policies decisions, ensuring evidence-based governance. Competitive advantage: smart cities gain a competitive edge in attracting business, talent, and investment, driving economic growth and development. Smart city By embracing smart cities technologies and strategies, cities can create a better future for their citizens, businesses, and the environment. Here are some additional aspects of smart cities. Smart cities initiatives: smart traffic management, intelligent transportation system, smart energy grids, smart water management, waste to energy initiatives, smart buildings and homes, public Wi-Fi and digital connectivity, smart healthcare and telemedicine, smart education and digital learning, smart public safety and emergency response. Benefits for citizens: improved quality of life, enhanced public services, increased safety and security, better transportation options, reduced energy consumption, improved healthcare outcomes, access to digital services and connectivity, increased transparency and accountability, opportunities for civic engagement and participation, improved economic opportunities. Technology is used. IoT sensors and devices.